Leslie Hitchcock.
And I'm Sam O'Keefe.
And we're here to help present the hackathon highlights. It was an amazing weekend. We had 700 hackers in attendance, and it came out with 132 hack presentations that were done on Sunday in 60 seconds each.
And we at TechCrunch really love the hackathon because throughout Disrupt we see some phenomenal investors, established founders, and really great thought leaders on the stage. But most of these people started in the exact same situation as our hackers. Just a couple of people sitting around a table trying to make stuff work. So today we're excited to present to you the top 3 hacks from the competition. Each of them will have 60 seconds to present. So first up, we have Blitz.
Blitz is going to save you time by allowing you to complete important actions faster. For example, have you ever been out and want to find the quickest way to get home? Well, this is the type of information that Blitz makes accessible to you from anywhere on your iPhone in only one simple swipe. And from there, you can then look at whether Google Maps or Uber better suits you. And tapping on your preferred shortcut will actually launch that app with your action already preloaded. Now, you can create these types of shortcuts by opening the Blitz app. And from there, you first need to select which app you want to create a shortcut for. In our case, let's create a shortcut for Google Maps from our current location to our home address, and we're going to use public transit. Now, when we press save on this shortcut, it will push it into our Today view, and it is now accessible from anywhere on your phone at any time with that one simple swipe. And this is really great, but it's only one example of the infinite amount of shortcuts you can create with Blitz. Other great examples could be setting up a recurring payment with Venmo, calling an Uber to take you home, deep linking to your favorite artist in Rdio, searching Yelp for a nearby Starbucks, opening a specific Facebook event, messaging your favorite friend, or even sending a yo without having to open any app at all. You can do this with just one simple tap. Blitz is going to save you time by allowing you to complete important tasks faster.
Definitely, it looks like our... Next step, we have interactive Markdown.
Right. So here's some examples behind me of some getting started guides, and this is stuff that you have to go through whenever you just want to run some code. And the big problem with that is it makes a lot of the code online really inaccessible, especially for people just starting out. So with interactive Markdown, we solve that problem by basically taking any code that you want to run online and just running it instantly. So here's some code snippets on GitHub, and if we just click into any of these code snippets, we instantly see that they're editable and runnable. And we're doing these for languages like Python and Ruby, too, which are normally back-end languages, impossible to run in your browser, but we can run them. And so one really cool thing that we do is we also support full projects. So this is an Android app, completely mobile app. And normally, if you'd want to run this, you'd have to download gigabytes of files and spend hours configuring. But with us, you just click a button, and suddenly you have a fully featured Android mobile app straight in your browser. This is built on top of CoreOS, DigitalOcean, and Docker. And with that, we're able to not only just basically take an Android smartphone and throw it in your web page, we can also extend to a lot of different platforms really, really easily. So thanks. We're Interactive Markdown, and we're trying to make the web more accessible.
And last, we have the winner, which was Shower with Friends.
Hello, everyone. We're Shower with Friends, an IoT invention that motivates us to conserve power built on the Intel Galileo board. So the problem is that we're in the middle of a drought. We're consuming more fresh water than we can supply. So the advice they're giving us is reduce water consumption and change our behaviors. But how? So we wanted to kind of build an app that meets quantified self. So the same things that we wear around our wristbands to try to motivate us to burn more calories and compete with our friends, the device here is this Intel Galileo board with a flow meter, and then every time you wake up in the morning and you need to, you're about to take a shower, it tells you how much water you consumed yesterday and how you might be able to beat that and what your friends are consuming as well. So here's what we built. An Intel Galileo 2 Gen board. It's like an Arduino board with a flow sensor. We built it in those languages, and there's no apps to install, no data to upload, nothing at all. It just pushes a notification to your phone or to your wearable, by the way, and all the data goes up there into the cloud through Firebase. And so real quick, we want to make an impact, right? Save more water, you can save a whole lot of, sorry, man. Save a whole lot of money. And also, we're announcing that we are donating our $5,000 that we won to Charity Water. So thank you very much. Yes, indeed.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Looks like our hackers did some presentation work since Sunday. Maybe got a little sleep? Just a little. Well, thank you guys so much, and we will be back after our next hackathon at Disrupt Europe.